Hi, welcome to the Advanced Technical Analysis to my YouTube channel. Today in this video presentation would like to discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty that has been traded today, that is 6th August 2019 index technical analysis that has formed the bullish engulfing candlestick chart pattern price of the in-depth technical analysis. In addition to that, would like to combine the daily support and the resistance price level that help us to trade safe and minimizing the risk and maximizing the profit. If you like this video, please press the button and subscribe to this channel to get the more latest updates and strategies that help you to in the trade accuracy. Let's not waste much of the time and let's enter into main discussion part. Before entering into discussion, I would like to request everyone to go through the disclaimers once. This content is designed simply for informational and educational purpose, not recommendations or tips offered to any of the person, group or individual. Before taking any position, please consult your financial advisor or do your own individual research. We don't accept any kind of the profit and loss occurring by usage of this video presentation. Now let us enter into the main discussion part. If you observe over here, this is the Nifty daily today's price movement. If you observe over here, the 6th August, this is the closing time and this is the closing level. Today opening price is at the 10,815.40 and today's touched the low of almost 10,813.8 and today's the high is 11,018.5. Overall today the change in terms of the percentage is 0.79 and today's the advance and decline ratio is 35 and declines are 15. Advance and decline ratio is used. It is one of the popular measure or the ratio used to gauge the strength of the index market. In the ratio, the simply AD ratio, and the ratio is the number of the shares that stocks that advance to the number of the shares that decline. The counter appear, it gives the movement. And moving on to the next slide is that today's the Nifty top gainers and the top losers. These are the Nifty top 5 gainers and this is the Nifty top 5 losers. And this is the advance and declines. Today's the advance is 1,329, declines are the 496 and unchanged are 97 and the total is 1,922 as per the today's closing time. And this is the top gainers of the Nifty 50 stocks. Today's the top gainer is the India Bull Housing Finance, S Bank, Tech Mahindra, followed by the Bajaj Finance, Telecom Space, Bharti Airtel, from the automobile Hero MotoCorp, and this is the closing and last traded price, and Hindalco Asian Paint. Moving on to the next slide is the today's the top losers coming is the Z Entertainment from the media sector and the Cipla from the pharma, Reliance from the energy and power grid, TCS from the IT, and Britannia from FMCG. So this is the Nifty 50 stocks overall today's performance. And moving on to the next slide is the main today's is the Nifty 50 index. Today's the price movement is then the closing is 10,945. If you observe over here, this is the bullish engulfing candlesticks pattern. Finally, the market pullbacks was seen on August 6th after the sharp sell off in the last few sessions. The optimism about like a rate cut by RBI Monetary Policy Committee on August 7th and the short covering lifted the benchmark index while the Nifty 50 rallied 85.70 points to 10,948.3, formed the strong bullish candlestick which resembles a bullish engulfing kind of the pattern on daily chart after the hammer pattern formed on the previous session. This is the hammer pattern formed on the previous session. While the Nifty 50 rallied 85 points, it has in the previous day is the hammer that is on the August 5th. After the formation of the important bottom reversal pattern like hammer on Monday, August 5th, the Nifty witnessed a much awaited follow through the intraday up move. Therefore, by confirming a reversal pattern at the low of 10,782 level, this pattern resembles a formation of bullish engulfing at the low. He added the chart pattern of August 5th and the 6th could signal a possibility of upside bounce in the market. The next upside resistance will be watched at 11,100. The overall structure suggested that the consolidation can continue for a couple of sessions before the next move starts on the downside. The consolidation may take place in the range of 10,800 to 11,000. If you observe over here, the below are the indicators. RSI is the momentum indicator. RSI has started curling up after testing its oversold zone, and daily MACD has given the bullish in the negative territory. The RSI indicates the current movement is likely to extend further, and the above is the ADX, average directional indicator or directional movement indicator, we can call it as an, and the blue line indicates it is a plus DMI, and the red line is the minus DMI, and the black line is the ADX, that is average directional index. So this is about the ADX, and if you over the positive, if you see over is the 11.36 is the plus ADA, and the minus DMI is the 31.31.0, and the ADX is 40.9. and here if you observe over here, this RSI is the 29.4. Now moving on to the next slide is the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, if you observe over here, on August 5th it has formed the hammer kind of the pattern, and today it forms the bullish candle, and the two bullish engulfing is the two candlestick pattern, and it's closely a bullish engulfing kind of the pattern. And as per the Bank Nifty closed at the 28,022.1, almost up by 374 points on August 6th. The important pivotal level will be act as a crucial support for the index is placed at 27.364, 365, and followed by 27,247 on the upside. On the upside, the key resistance will be placed at 28,279 and the 28,535. And so this is about the Nifty and Bank Nifty important support and the resistance level for the next day. Before taking the trade, please keep observe these price levels in the mind, so that it helps you to take the whether it considering the upside move or downside of the move. If you observe, one more important thing I would like to highlight around here is, if you observe over from this level to the this, it's moved like in a lower high higher low kind of the form, and at this juncture it has formed the bullish engulfing pattern, and if it gives further any kind of the move, keeping the stop loss will help you to risk your of the control. Thank you guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this and stay for more of the updates. Thank you.